you, Kaika? Leave. This is very nice. I love the wallpaper in here. Oh dear.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be taking you on this tour of the spec home by Bedrock Homes. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1900 square feet with a front-facing garage. Here you have the powder room, so if you have guests over or if you're hosting someone, they could just use this bathroom instead of going upstairs. There you just saw the office. This is a nice living space. Love the accent wall there. Here is the dining area and also the kitchen. Lovely, 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 lovely. Look, I'm just imagining the things that you could do to this space. Also, I was inquiring if this could be a basement suite, but they said no. Here is the master bedroom for this home. Decent size. This is the ensuite with his and her sink. Tons of storage underneath the sink here. And the shower is right over here. It's a little bit on the smaller size. Yes, guys. It's a little bit smaller, but you'd have to make do with it, right? Over here we have the closet. Decent sized closet space here. And you could do those pack system. So this home has the potential to be an investment property as well, right? This could be an Airbnb, so I could help you to get set up with an Airbnb. Over here, you have the bonus room that you could have some TVs and the kids could play up here or other guests, whatever. This is the bathroom for those other two rooms. Here is a little study area, and this is the second bedroom for this home. Decent size. The closet space is also nice as well. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Here you have this linen closet and also the third bedroom of this home. This is a bigger size room as well. Guys, today's sponsor will be Alluringkeystreasures for their support in helping you to get started with Airbnb, managing your Airbnb, and all the needs of a short-term rental. So go check them out and tell them that Tori sent you. Go support their Instagram page, and they have tons of reviews, nicely decorated homes. So yeah, guys, go and check them out. And I will just like to say thank you, Alluringkeystreasures, for sponsoring today's video. All right, bye. Guys, I just showed you the spec home of Bedrock Homes Builders. So this is their show home here. This would be the mudroom of the property. Nicely decorated, my kind of vibe, my kind of style. Here we have the front door with the large closet. Over here, you're looking at the powder room. It's a little bit on the smaller size, but it's nicely decorated. And you know, I'm a lover of all things green. Right now, you can't go wrong with green for me. Anyways, we're in the office space and I'm just having fun with this home. So don't mind me. Nice. I love this. I love this. Imagine all the work that you could get done in this space, right? If you're a work from home girly like myself, imagine of all the clients that you could meet and talk to and show them what you could do. Here is Mr. Kyron enjoying the home, Right there we have a nicely designed we have a wall designed with wine display. And look at the wall, accent wall here, guys. Look at this. The fireplace with the television, and it's just a nice area to just come in and lounge and host people, family, friends, whatever. And again, the green, it's the green for me. It's the green for me all the time. And I realized, guys, the island, it's a waterfall island with marble. Oh God, look at that thing. Lovely. And down there you could see you have the microwave, right? Nicely designed. This is a gas stove. The pantry is on a little bit of a smaller size. Could definitely do a big one with giving people some more pantry space, bedrock homes. Okay, but it's lovely. And the drawers are soft close as well. Tons of storage. And I'm pointing out it's a gas stove. Yeah, a lovely home. The refrigerator is also nice. Stainless steel appliances throughout the home. And I'm just going to help myself to a bottle of water. Water is life, right? Okay, making our way over here. We have our sink. Nice window, and that's a view of the backyard. Love the design of the dining area. Love it. Love, love, love it. Here's the island. And as I was mentioning earlier, it's a waterfall island. Let's head upstairs and go see what Karen was saying to me, because he just wants me to go upstairs and see how upstairs is looking. And here you have the bonus living room. This has 3 television. Imagine what your kids could get away here. And this nicely decorated space. They could definitely add a chandelier to this space to give it a little bit more accent for it not to look so blonde. But here is the master bedroom. Here is overlooking downstairs just before you enter the master bedroom. Nice. Love this. Love, love. Again, we're making our way into the master bedroom, but before we do that, we're going to take a look at the laundry room with the stackable laundry. Nice master bedroom. Guys, this is the secondary bedroom, and over here you have the bathroom that both of these two rooms will be sharing. And just imagine you staying in a home nicely decorated like this, right? Oh, magical this would make you feel, or stuff like that. This is the study, and this is the linen closet there. Here is the third bedroom, and I'm just in awe of this house. This house is lovely, lovely. The decoration speaks volumes to me because, you know, I'm an interior decorator. Yeah. Look at Kyron. Oh my God, this child has been all over this house. Come. Okay, ready? Let's go. Let's go. Gentle. You're too bad. You Kaika. Anyways, we're gonna leave. This is very nice. I love the wallpaper in here. I love the big windows in this one. Look at the closet for this room. This room is very big. Anyways, I'm gonna fix up back these people place because my child decided he's jumping on the bed, which is not what I raised him to do. So we're gonna fix the people bed back and we're gonna leave. Excuse me. Don't come back in here. So, oh, there's more show homes over there. Coventry have a show home over there. You right where you see that orange thing, right where my finger is, that's Coventry. Let's go see if it's actually open, and we could probably get to go inside there and tour that show home as well. This one is pretty nice. I love this. Definitely love this design. Honestly. Kai Kai? Yeah. Where you at? Make sure you're not pull up nothing, you know. Make sure you're not pull up anything. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's get your stuff. Are you put by the earphone? Yeah. Okay, good job. Good job, honey. So we're gonna leave and we're gonna don't jump down the stairs, you know. I might hurt. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. Go watch some more videos. I'll add them on the screen. A playlist and our most recent videos. Go and check them out and enjoy. Thank you. And help us to get monetized, guys. Peace.